Have you ever wondered why blockchain is important? Or maybe you have asked how it will impact our daily lives, or the lives of different professionals working in other sectors. In this video, we will focus on the need for blockchain technology in our society, not only in real-life scenarios, but also in businesses or banks. Hello and welcome back to Tech Factuala, a place to go to stay up to date on the latest and popular technologies. Join the community by hitting subscribe and clicking that bell icon to be notified of our new videos. First of all, let's have a look at the technology behind the blockchain. The blockchain works as a distributed ledger and is totally open to anybody. Once information is recorded inside the blockchain, it is complicated to change it. That is the point behind blockchain technology. It is extremely hard to tamper with it. But how is blockchain technology making big steps? Blockchain has been noiseless in the daily talks. However, once you look for news concerning blockchain, you'd have seen a few massive operations. Amazon is one of the greatest online market platforms out there. They have been collaborating up with a blockchain-based startup called Qtum. They are also working on a platform to make it easy for developers to make so-called smart contracts. Additionally, Amazon's competition, Alibaba, owns at the moment 90 individual blockchain-oriented licenses. So them, along with IBM, have the most blockchain licenses in the world. Furthermore, the co-founder of Wikipedia is working on a blockchain platform called Everipedia. It'll be a decentralized partner of Wikipedia. Games are also getting developed using blockchain technology. For example, MLB is launching a crypto baseball game. Blockchain is immutable. This opens many opportunities for platforms that require permanent traits to make their system more useful in a highly competitive market. Take the supply chain, for example. Immutability enables companies to guarantee that there's no hamper done to the packages in transit. As blockchain is unchanging, it is impossible to change the package data in any way. Any alteration will alert the system. Another crucial perspective that makes blockchain so important is transparency. There are different sorts of blockchain. Public blockchain gives clarity due to its nature. It is helpful for different functions of our society, including doing elections. Moreover, companies can utilize it to ensure that they can be connected with the processes with full or partial transparency. Next comes digital freedom. As human beings, one of our rights is freedom. Unfortunately, there are centralized entities that offer connectivity in terms of economy and take away our freedom. Take your bank, for example. It can block your exchanges or seize your account if deemed correct. A few banks do so, even when the account holders have not done anything wrong. So, if you're considering blockchain, you'll find there's no centralized authority. With blockchain, you get true advanced freedom. You're your own bank. You'll take out your cash once you need and do it without anybody else's authorization. Without the need of any central authority, you're the sole proprietor and person responsible for your resources. It gives you the digital freedom that depends heavily on the spine of blockchain technology. Decentralized services are the spine of our futuristic society. Be it resource management or energy management, there will be decentralized services for each sector out there. This will deliver individuals unprecedented access to the choices that are currently not available in the market. Nearly every sector will have decentralized services. The music industry, for example, the advantage of truly decentralized services where both maker and consumer can take an interest without the need for any approval from a huge centralized corporation. Blockchain is not defined as just one particular use case. This makes blockchain superior technology for the future of our society. It can be used in almost every sector, including banks, trade finance, government, education, healthcare, oil, etc. Therefore, these use cases also have a huge impact. Blockchain, moreover, uses cryptography to include a layer of security to the information stored on the network. The decentralization feature of blockchain on top of the cryptography makes blockchain more secure than other systems. Cryptography utilizes complex mathematical algorithms to secure the information and systems on the blockchain network. Also, every block on the network carries a special hash, implying that no information can be produced or changed by malicious hackers. Blockchain is cheap when compared to other technologies. The removal of centralized authority removes the buffer required to run the network ideally. With no centralization, there's no need to pay a mediator. In the supply chain, using blockchain means less paperwork. The paperwork itself costs a lot. There are other costs related, including hiring individuals to do the paperwork and keep up the mediators. Lastly, improved efficiency is another answer as to why blockchain is needed in our society. The cause is way better security, mediator removal, and generally better processes. Exchanges also take seconds instead of a week to complete, especially international transactions. Now that we get the importance from a general point of view, let's try to get it from a business viewpoint. For the most part, it is the business that benefits from blockchain the most. Blockchain isn't simple to execute for regular users. A team of experts needs to be managed, which makes it ideal for businesses that have the budget and appetite to manage the blockchain project. Now that we have understood the need for blockchain for business, it is time to reflect upon blockchain's importance to different sectors. Let's cover 3 of them. Number 1, banking and finance. The managing of an account and finance sector can be radically improved by blockchain. Advanced financial institutes have the most benefits when it comes to smart contracts. The benefits come from advanced assets, programmable money, and smart contracts. There is a bounty of use cases that can be utilized in managing an account and finance sector. Particularly, exchange finance blockchain has picked up a part of traction in recent times. Some of them are capital markets such as trading, insurance, and sales, remittances and payments for both domestic and international, trade finance sectors including letters of credit, insurance and bill of lading, investment management, including fund launch, administration, and more. There are also few business benefits, including authenticity. It helps fund organizing to bring information integrity and guarantee legitimate authenticity in their systems. Streamline process. It improves operational proficiency, including the capacity to do a real-time settlement, reporting, and audit. Programmable capabilities. The complete business logic can be coded, including information protection, compliance, identity, and so on. Economic benefits. Better operational cost, fewer infrastructure costs, and value-based costs. Number 2, blockchain in healthcare. Healthcare is another sector where blockchain will play a vital role. As of now, healthcare is enduring a need for unity. For example, patients need to carry their reports, and hospitals put records in isolated silos, which takes time to be retrieved when required. Currently, there is a bounty of use cases related to healthcare, including the following: patient consent management, drug traceability, secure electronic health records, or ETRs, micropayments incentivization, clinical trials data security. Number 3, blockchain supply chain. Supply chain needs transparency, exact asset tracking, and improved licensing. Blockchain can progress transparency and traceability. These have an enormous effect on each sector that depends on the supply chain. Right now, products can be difficult to track due to the unavailability of real-time tracing. Moreover, it'll end up impossible for malicious actors to alter products in any form or factor. Blockchain technology is still quite new, and we can't be sure where it will be in the future. But what we do know is that it is very interesting, and the world leaders of the market are putting quite a lot of attention. The attention went from retail to big corporations. This leads us to the end of our video: why we need blockchain in our society. Blockchain is, without a doubt, important to our society. It's an effect on the current businesses. It is unparalleled. With the development of BaaS and other improvements, it is the only time when most of the industry will begin adopting blockchain. So, what do you think about blockchain? Do you see the benefits? Comment below and let us know. We've provided a lot of valuable data that make blockchain worthy. So, conduct your research and see what lies ahead of blockchain. If you find our video helpful, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.